We've all been there. A great photo on your phone or camera, and we upload it to Facebook only to be disappointed by the image we see on our Facebook page. Yet again, Facebook seems to have turned our crispy details into a mushy mess through the Facebook image compression algorithm. But what do? You know, all the people that you know are on Facebook, and people don't tend to go to other places these days, your website or anywhere else you might upload a high resolution photo. And what if you just want to do a quick upload on your mobile device? In this video, I show you how to avoid Facebook photo compression and how to upload high quality pictures on Facebook so you can share them in all their detailed glory. The secret here is to take control yourself rather than letting Facebook to do the compression for you. Let's make one thing clear though, your photos are never going to look objectively great on Facebook. You can, however, take steps to make them look better. Having said that, here's my 4 tips for making your photos look better on Facebook. Number 1, upload via desktop when you can to maximize your chances of making sure that Facebook honors the photo you're uploading without compressing the file out of your control. Number 2, you need to upload them in the right size. This minimizes how much resizing Facebook does. Plus, when you adjust your own photos, you have the option of doing a little cropping instead of resizing. Now, Facebook recommends 3 sizes: 720 pixels, 960 pixels, and 2048 pixels on your long edge. For photos, we can safely ignore the 2 smaller options, they're just ridiculously small. That leaves us with one ideal size, 2048 pixels on your long edge. If you're really into trying to give your photos the best chance of looking half decent on Facebook, then also aim to export your photos from your processing software like Lightroom, etc. with JPEG quality set at 80 and your screen resolution output is 62 dpi and set to low sharpening for screen. Low, that's just a taste thing, but I find it's best not to over sharpen your photos for Facebook. The reason why the resolution output is set to 72 dpi is that is the standard for the web. Anything more than that will just be a waste of data and make your file needlessly big, so just don't change that. 3. Next, you want to upload your photos in the right color space. Now, Facebook uses what's known as sRGB, the standard color profile for most displays. And the good news is you probably don't have to change much here. sRGB is the color space used for 99% of JPEGs. If you take a photo with your smartphone or export one that you've taken with your DSLR from Photoshop or Lightroom or any other major editing app, it's most likely going to be in the sRGB color space. Realistically, if you have images that aren't in the sRGB color space, you've probably at some point made a deliberate decision to use something with a wider color range, and you know what you're doing. You can check what color space a photo is using by viewing its metadata. And you can see here that this photo that I shot with my iPhone is in sRGB, so I don't need to change anything. 4. If you're uploading from a mobile device like your phone or your tablet, be sure to switch on upload photos in HD in your settings on your phone. By default, this might be switched to off. Beware, it'll eat more data on any mobile plan you have. Now, Facebook settings have 2 separate qualities of uploads, normal quality and this high quality. Normal quality is used for almost everything, posting an image as a status update or profile pictures, for example. So you need to be aware that high quality is only available when you upload images to a photo album. So if you're serious about having the highest quality images possible on Facebook, the best thing to do if you're uploading mobile is to upload your images to a photo album and then share them from there. When you add images to an album to upload them in high quality, once again, make sure the high quality option is enabled. If you follow all these steps, while I can't guarantee your photos will look good, they'll at least look better than if you leave Facebook to its own devices. And here's a bonus tip on cover photos. Cover photos, the image that appears at the top of your timeline, are a bit of a special case. While all the tips that I've talked about still apply, the exact values you should use change. For the highest quality cover photo, you want to load an image that is 851 pixels wide. If you don't want it cropped on your profile, you need to have the image be 315 pixels tall as well. Now, Facebook also compresses cover photos to less than 100 kilobytes. If you upload an image that's less than 100 kilobytes in size, it won't be compressed at all, so bear that in mind. Now, those 4 tips and that bonus tip should get your photos looking better on Facebook. Did I miss anything obvious? Drop me a comment below and let me know. But otherwise, happy uploading out there, and here's to better Facebook photos all round.